Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. I was at the store and I happened to find a new version of the Dot Chiyogami series of origami paper that's made by GRIMMHOBBY. They always have really cute colorful patterns available in this series, and I thought this one was really cute because it features little origami Shuriken or ninja stars throwing ninja stars on here. So that was sort of a cute little play on, you know, words and stuff there with the little design there. I thought of origami paper with origami on it. It's kind of cute. So I was also lucky too because I was able to get it just for 100 yen. Usually these run about 400 yen for the pack. You do get lots of fun colorful paper though, so I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys what it looks like here. This series, like I said, is a very colorful series, and they're known for having a really nice kind of thicker version of Chiyogami paper. And as you can tell, it's double-sided. It has usually a really fun print on one side and then a color on the other. And the color is usually accented to the color that you see on the front. So in this case, it's the green there, and then this is a blue for this one, pinkish red for this one, purple and orange, and then more of like a salmon pink. And the colors are just really cute. They work really well together because they're all kind of in the same group of colors. So if you're doing a big project like a really big kusarama or something, it can be a really great paper to use for that. And it's pretty rare to find some that have such a cute colorful pattern with such a white base, I thought. So it really kind of caught my eye as a fun paper for sure. So I usually recommend these papers even though they're a little bit more expensive. The quality of the paper is nice. More expensive meaning than, for example, Daiso, which would be just 100 yen for a pack of paper. You get 6 different colors, 6 sheets each, so a total of 36 pages. And again, it's a really good high quality paper, so you can easily make some really cute containers, gift project items, and things like that for people if you want. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!